Dad.
Are you serious? This is a madness! A D, a 63! This is terrible!
Sorry.
Now come with me! Now that test score was terrible! Now go walk the path of shame!
What did you get? Got a 99. Ha! I got a 63. Ha! Such a bad score. I'm sorry. I'm not smiling, Vishnu.
No place to hang out or washing.
You need help, young one.
Yeah. I was just walking to see if I can get any math help out of these nudes.
Math, you say? You should meet my friend, Xander the shit sage.
Really? Where can I find him?
You can find him over there, up the cliff, and you need to turn right at the rock, and then go up at the cloud.
Okay, then.
No problem.
Deep in my heart, I abhor ya.
On the rock. Looking
Can't
right.
get food for the kid. Good God, we gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh, we gonna
Sage?
Yes, I am.
Hey, can you say about math, sir?
Yes, I can. Sit down, grasshopper. Okay.
So how do you do this math problem? I mean, it's 4/5 over 8/15, so what will you do?
Well, the good book here says that what you do when you have a complex fraction, like so, you simply take the second number and you flip it over, and then you multiply it. So you'd get something like 15 over 8. But as you can see, this is a bit messy here. Let's move it down a level. You have 4/5 times 15 over 8. Now, you may notice that you may just want to multiply this straight across, but in fact, you can make it easier by canceling out. So, if you notice, the 5 goes into the 15 3 times. The 4 goes into the 8 2 times. What do you get here? You get a 1 and a 1. And what is 1 times 3? You get a 3. What is 1 times 2? You get a 2. Your answer becomes 3/2. Now tell me, young one, do you understand?
I do, but is there a simpler way?
No, I'm afraid that's it.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry, you just have to do it that way.
Okay. So how do you do this one?
Well, young one, this one is slightly more. This one is slightly easier than the previous one we did. Now, the good book says when you flip to this page here that you must, in fact, bring the r to the bottom by making it 1 over r, because the negative 1 needs to become positive, and the s to the negative 1 needs to be s to the positive 1. Therefore, you get this.
Why couldn't you just distribute the -1?
Well, that's because you have a negative sign in the middle, and if you were to do that, it simply wouldn't work.
Oh, okay.
It simply wouldn't work like that. Yes. So you do this. You simply multiply an r on this side, and you get this. Multiply an s on this side to get this. And why did we do this? Well, it's because you need a common denominator. So you have s minus r over rs to the -1 on the outside, because, well, it was there, but we simply didn't apply it in this step. So now you have r to the s over s minus r, because you flip it naturally when there's a -1. And this is your answer here. Now, does this make sense to you? Are you picking this up?
It does. It does make sense now.
Okay, that's good. Now you try. Okay, now this one is slightly more difficult, but is also the last problem I am willing to teach you. Begin.
The things you say, your past just give you away. The things you say is what I love you more. The things you say, your past.
Is this right, Sage?
1/4. Let's review what you did. You took the 2, and then since there's a 1 on the bottom, you simply flipped it over, and you have 3 over 6 times 1 over 2. And naturally, you did this. You multiply the 3, and you multiply the 6, and you get 3/12, and this becomes 1/4.
Yes.
Now you can also cancel it out here, and you should get 1/2. Now 1/2 times 1/2 is also 1/4. Good job. Go home.
Thank you. Thank you, Sage.
Goodbye.
I am forever in your debt.
Goodbye.